How to log into Rocket Money account. Let's get started. First up, make sure you have already downloaded Rocket Money app on your device. If not, you can head towards the App Store or Play Store, search for the app Rocket Money and install it. Once you install the app, launch it. You will land to this kind of page. Now at the bottom, you'll see the option of create account as well as login. Click on the option of login. Now from here, you can easily log into your account. All you have to do is provide your Rocket Money account's credentials. So go ahead and type in the email address. After you type in the mail, click on continue, and in the next page you will need to type in the password and click on done. Just with that, you will be logged into your account. Well, this way you can easily log into your Rocket Money account. In the case you haven't created your account yet, click on this option of create account and go through the process. Well, that's a wrap for this video. I hope you guys are clear about how to log into Rocket Money account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.